So, let's check how many bears were here taking a bath in this extreme drought. Very nice, all created by me. You see the difference? Dry, 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 wet, 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 wet. These human monkeys don't understand it. All they want is money and power. The water is the most important thing for life. We are nothing otherwise. We are just slaves in hand of few people which think with the money you can rule everything, like by the Lord of the Rings. But the ring is not the ring, it is the money. You know? If the person who rules the world has the most money and the bankster, he will destroy whatever he can on the path to become richer. But if permaculture guy or forestry guy or some ancient tribes rule the world, then the money will always be worthless, because the nature is the most important thing we have. The nature provides us with food, with everything we need for life. Are we really so stupid that we cannot understand this? What a pity, what a wonderful life this could have been. Imagine these pools of water everywhere. There. You see here's place for hundreds of pools. Instead of the pools you have this grass which is worthless. And look, the joy of the dogs. Imagine the joy of the bears coming here in extreme heat. I forgot I dug a trench here. I fell into the trench. My God. But I don't really mind.